Assalamualaikum. I am Ahmed Ryan and I am here for giving some information about solar energy. Solar energy is one of the most popular renewable energy sources, yet only 10% of the electricity produced globally come from the solar power. It is a green energy and reduces carbon emissions, so it doesn't deplete natural resources. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, which can be used to power homes, businesses, and even vehicles. It's a great way to reduce our carbon footprints and help the environment. As electricity is expensive nowadays, so solar power can reduce electricity bills because when you generate your own electricity from solar panels, you rely less on the grid. This results in lower bills. Plus, if your solar panel is producing more electricity than you need, there is a concept of net metering. You can even sell the excess back to the grid and earn credits. And it is a long term investment for you that you can invest in panels and you can get 100% back in maximum 2 years. After that, you will having a profit for almost 20 to 25 years because their efficiency remains same for almost 20 years. After that, its efficiency starts decreasing. So it's a great way to save on your energy costs and also helpful for the environment. Thank you.